AGORACOM Talks, your weekly go-to source for the best small-cap headlines. For over 65 million investors since 2007.
Wow.
Get ready for breaking news, because we've got a stack of market-moving developments. Straight from the Canadian markets,
Oh,
we're talking cutting-edge AI, potential gold rushes, and even a splash of crypto, all in the world of small-cap companies.
it's fascinating to see how these smaller companies are often the ones pushing the boundaries of innovation. And today's headlines are a perfect example of that.
Okay, let's dive right in. First up, we have HPQ Silicon, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol HPQ. They've just announced that their pilot plant for producing fumed silica is officially operational.
This is a major milestone for HPQ Silicon. Moving from lab-scale production to a fully functional pilot plant is a huge step towards commercialization. It demonstrates that their technology can be scaled up
Yeah.
and potentially disrupt the fumed silica market.
And to quote HPQ CEO Bernard Turion, the pilot plant startup is a significant achievement and is a crucial step in HPQ Silicon's evolution as it transitions to becoming a producer of silicon-based materials and addressing the needs of a vast global market.
This shift to becoming an actual producer is key. It's one thing to have promising technology in a lab setting, but it's another thing entirely to demonstrate that you can produce material at scale. This development could be a real game changer for HPQ Silicon.
Next up, we have news from AISIX Solutions, also on the TSX Venture Exchange, trading under the symbol AISX. They've announced their new and improved wildfire prediction software, Wildfire 3.0, will be commercially available in Q1 2025.
This is an area where AI has the potential to make a truly significant impact. Wildfires are becoming increasingly devastating around the world, and having a tool like Wildfire 3.0 could be invaluable for governments and businesses in managing risk and protecting lives and property.
To quote AISIX CEO, as wildfire seasons become longer and more severe, it's clear we need to be doing everything we can to mitigate their impact. That's why we're so proud to offer Wildfire 3.0 to organizations across Canada and internationally to help them prepare for the increasing threat of wildfires.
And what's particularly interesting about this new software is that it goes beyond just predicting where fires might occur. It also provides data on potential fire intensity, future climate scenarios, and even estimates potential damage to structures.
Now let's turn our attention to the gold sector, where things are heating up in British Columbia. American Creek Resources, trading under the symbol AMK on the TSX Venture Exchange, has provided an update on their Treaty Creek project.
Treaty Creek is a really interesting project because it's home to the Goldstorm deposit, which has an estimated 27.9 million ounces of gold equivalent. That's a massive amount of gold. And it puts Treaty Creek among some of the largest gold deposits in the world.
And American Creek, along with their partner Tudor Gold, is getting ready to go underground with a 3,000-meter exploration ramp to get a closer look at the high-grade Supercell 1 zone.
Underground exploration is a crucial step in advancing a project like this. It allows for more detailed drilling and sampling, which can lead to a better understanding of the deposit's size, grade, and overall economic potential.
To quote Ken Conkin, we are now commencing underground development of the Goldstorm deposit. Tudor Gold has established itself as a leader in exploration in the Golden Triangle, and we are confident that their expertise will be instrumental in maximizing the value of Treaty Creek.
It's always a good sign when a company is willing to invest significant resources in a project like this. It shows they have a high level of confidence in its potential.
Staying in the gold sector, we have news from Goliath Resources, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol GOT. They've just released some impressive drill results from their Gold Digger property.
These results are definitely eye-catching. Intersected 34.52 grams per ton of gold equivalent, over 39 meters. To put that in perspective, most gold mines operate with grades of just a few grams per ton, so this is a very high-grade intersection.
And what makes these results even more exciting is that they're from the Bonanza Zone, which is just one part of the much larger gold system at Gold Digger.
That's right. Goliath has only explored a small portion of the property so far, so there's a lot of potential for further discoveries. And with these high grades, even a relatively small deposit could be economically significant.
To quote Goliath CEO Roger Rasmus, these outstanding results from the Bonanza Zone clearly demonstrate the continuity of high-grade gold mineralization over meaningful widths, and further solidify our belief that Gold Digger hosts a substantial gold system.
And it's not just the grade that's impressive. They're also seeing a 92.2% gold recovery rate using a simple gravity separation process, which is a good indication that this could be a very profitable operation.
Now let's shift gears to the world of crypto and ad tech, where Brand Pilot AI, trading on the CSE under the symbol Because AI is making headlines.
This is a company that's really trying to position itself at the forefront of the Web3 revolution. They've just announced a partnership with Coinbase Commerce to accept cryptocurrency payments.
And they're not just dipping their toes into the crypto waters, they're fully embracing it, accepting Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and USD Coin, USDC.
This is a bold move, and it shows that they're serious about integrating crypto into their business model. Accepting crypto payments could open them up to a whole new customer base and potentially give them a competitive edge.
To quote Brand Pilot CEO John Gill, "We believe that accepting cryptocurrency is the next logical step for our company, and we are committed to providing our clients with the most advanced and secure payment options available. This integration with Coinbase allows us to accept payments in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD Coin, making it easier for our clients to do business with us."
This is a great example of how small-cap companies can be nimble and innovative, quickly adapting to new trends and technologies. It'll be interesting to see how this move plays out for Brand Pilot in the long run.
We've covered a lot of ground already, but we're just getting started.
Oh.
We'll be back with part 2 of this deep dive, where we'll continue exploring these exciting developments and what they mean for investors. Stay tuned.
It's amazing how diverse the small-cap space is. When it comes to innovation, we've got companies pushing the boundaries in material science, AI, resource exploration, and even the way businesses transact.
It really is a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit that drives this sector. These companies aren't afraid to take risks and challenge the status quo, which is what makes them so exciting to follow.
Let's go back to HPQ Silicon, symbol HPQ, and their breakthrough in fumed silica production.
Okay.
What's interesting to me is that their technology could produce high-purity fumed silica, including grades, for food and pharmaceutical applications.
That's a great point. Opening up those markets could significantly expand their revenue streams and solidify their position as a leader in this space.
Absolutely. It aligns with the growing demand for high-quality, specialized materials in those industries.
Yeah, and plus, HPQ's partner PyroGenesis noted that this technology aims to offer a consistent supply of fumed silica while maintaining both sustainability and efficiency.
Right. Those factors are becoming increasingly important for companies looking to attract investors and customers.
Speaking of sustainability, let's revisit AISIX Solutions and their wildfire prediction software. Wildfire 3.0. Their stock symbol is AISX. It's incredible to think that this software could play such a critical role in mitigating the impact of wildfires, which, as we know, are becoming a global issue.
It's not just a global issue, it's an increasingly urgent one.
Right.
And what's impressive about Wildfire 3.0 is the level of detail it provides. It goes beyond simple fire risk maps to offer data on burn probability, fire intensity, and potential structural damage, allowing for more precise and effective mitigation strategies.
That granular level of information is key for organizations involved in forest management, urban planning, and emergency response. It empowers them to make more informed decisions and allocate resources more effectively.
Exactly. And as climate change continues to drive more extreme weather events, the demand for tools like Wildfire 3.0 is only going to increase.
Now let's dig a bit deeper into the gold rush. Unfolding in British Columbia, American Creek Resources, trading under the symbol, AMK is advancing their Treaty Creek project, which boasts a massive estimated resource base of 27.9 million ounces of gold equivalent.
It's important to remember that those are still estimates, and further exploration is needed to confirm the full extent of the deposit. However, the sheer scale of the Goldstone deposit at Treaty Creek is undeniable, and the fact that they're moving forward with underground exploration is a strong vote of confidence.
That's right. The 3,000-meter exploration ramp will give them access to the high-grade Supercell 1 zone, allowing for closer examination of the mineralization, a more targeted drilling.
And this type of underground exploration is crucial for taking a project from the initial discovery phase to a more advanced stage of development. It provides the data needed to make informed decisions about mine planning and feasibility.
For investors, this shift to underground exploration is often a significant catalyst, as it demonstrates a company's commitment to advancing the project and unlocking its value.
Absolutely. It signals a move from purely exploratory work to a more focused approach, aimed at defining a potential ore body and assessing its economic viability.
Now, for those seeking even higher grade gold, Goliath Resources, under the symbol GOT, is a company to watch. Their recent drill results from the Gold Digger property are truly impressive, with one hole hitting 34.52 grams per ton of gold equivalent, over 39 meters.
Wow. Those are numbers that will make any gold investor's ears perk up.
It's not just the grade that's impressive, it's the context.
Right.
These results come from the Bonanza Zone, which is just one part of a much larger gold system. That Goliath is exploring at Gold Digger. The potential for further high-grade discoveries is significant.
And the fact that they're seeing a 92.2% gold recovery rate. Using a relatively simple gravity separation method is another positive sign. It suggests that this could be a very low-cost operation, which is crucial for maximizing profitability.
That high recovery rate is a key indicator of the potential economics of the project. So far in this deep dive, we've covered some groundbreaking developments across a wide range of industries. But we're not finished yet.
Oh.
We'll be back with part 3.
To wrap things up and leave you with some final thoughts, you know it's remarkable to consider the potential ripple effects these companies could have on their respective industries and the broader market.
HPQ Silicon, with their advancements in fumed silica production, could impact everything, from construction materials to cosmetics, and even high-tech applications like batteries.
And the implications of AISIX Solutions' wildfire prediction software extend far beyond the business world.
Right.
In a world increasingly impacted by climate change and extreme weather events, their technology could play a vital role in protecting lives, property, and entire ecosystems.
It's almost like we're witnessing the birth of entirely new industries, driven by these innovative technologies.
That's a great point. And let's not forget the potential economic impact, especially in regions like British Columbia, where companies like American Creek Resources and Goliath Resources are exploring for gold. Significant discoveries could create jobs, stimulate local economies, and contribute to Canada's position as a global leader in mining.
It's a reminder that investing in small-cap companies isn't just about potential financial returns.
Right.
It's also about supporting innovation and growth. That can have a positive impact on society as a whole.
Absolutely. It's about recognizing the power of these smaller companies to drive change and create a more sustainable and prosperous future. They're often the ones taking the biggest risks and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
So as we wrap up this deep dive into the world of small-cap headlines, let's leave our listeners with a final, thought-provoking question.
Okay.
Which of these companies and their groundbreaking developments do you believe has the most potential to make a lasting impact, and why?
Is it HPQ Silicon?
Yeah.
Symbol, HPQ. With their quest to revolutionize the production of high-purity fumed silica, a material with applications across a multitude of industries.
Perhaps AISX.
AISIX Solutions, with their mission to harness the power of artificial intelligence to predict and mitigate the devastating effects of wildfires.
Maybe you're drawn to the enduring allure of gold and the potential of American Creek Resources
AMK.
and Goliath Resources.
EAOT, to unearth significant discoveries that could reshape the mining landscape. Or could it be Brand Pilot AI BPAI, pushing the boundaries of the advertising industry with their bold embrace of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, a move that could signal a fundamental shift in the way businesses operate and transact in the digital age.
We encourage you to ponder these questions, conduct your own research, using the valuable resources available on AGORACOM, and share your insights with a vibrant community of investors. On the platform, it's a place where ideas are exchanged, knowledge is shared, and the future of investing is shaped.
Remember, the world of small-cap investing is full of possibilities. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape where companies with big ideas and bold visions can make a real difference. It's a place where fortunes are made, industries are disrupted, and the future is forged.
So stay curious, stay informed, and never stop exploring the exciting world of small-cap investing. Thank you for joining us on this special edition of The Deep Dive. We'll be back soon with more fascinating stories from the world of business and finance. Until then, happy investing.